we're the knowledge tasters. I'm Melina.
I'm Valerio.
And today we are going to share with you how to make the perfect lasagna. Because I, as a Dutch person, always tell my Italian friends that I buy the ready-to-eat lasagna from the supermarket, which I think is really good. But the Italians have obviously a different opinion about it. So today, Valerio, you are going to explain how to make the perfect lasagna like a real Italian.
Yeah, thank you, Elina. Thank you for this introduction. I would start by saying that in Italy we don't really have a recipe that everybody follows to do a perfect lasagna, because according to the family, to the place of the country where you live, you make it in a different way. But the recipe that we will share with you today is just what I normally do, and that's really basic. And then you can maybe change some ingredients, you can add something, but then this is the basic. So from this, you learn how to do this, you try it, and then you decide. So essentially a lasagna is a sequence of different layers of ingredients. As you can see, we have bechamel, and then pasta, ragu, Parmesan cheese, and then butter only on the top layer. So to prepare the ragu, you can just read our recipe that we posted last week on Instagram. That is quite easy to follow. And then bechamel sauce. I see here in the Netherlands that a lot of people just go to the supermarket and buy the jar with the bechamel sauce, but I don't think it's really nice, and it's really easy actually to make it, because it's just 3 ingredients. Is butter, flour and milk, and then with spices, so salt, pepper and nutmeg, and it's really 5 to 10 minutes. So you put in a pan the butter and the flour, you cook it for 5 minutes, and then you add the milk. Normally it's 100 grams of flour, 100 of butter and 1 liter of milk, and then you cook it, you stir it for 5 to 10 minutes until the texture, the consistency is what you want. So if you want it more liquid, you cook it less. If you want it more thicker, you cook it more. And then you add salt, pepper and nutmeg. So the first layer is bechamel. Then there is the pasta that also we in Italy, normally we buy it at the supermarket. You can both find the fresh pasta, so in the fridge, or the dry one. But it's really useful because it's really fast and easy to use, and it's really also nice. Then you also have, again, bechamel, ragu, and parmesan.
So, Valerio, in conclusion, the pasta we can just buy in the supermarkets because the quality is quite the same. But the bechamel and the ragu, it's better to make yourself because it will just be a little bit tastier. So, now on to the important part. How do you build your lasagna?
Okay, the lasagna is essentially a sequence of different layers of ingredients. So we have at the bottom the bechamel, then the pasta, then again the bechamel, the ragu, and the Parmesan cheese. And then this sequence, so pasta, bechamel, ragu, and Parmesan, needs to be repeated at least 3 times. At least, this is my opinion, because I want to fill the pasta, but some people prefer less, some people prefer more. So according to your preference, also the dimension of your container, how much ingredients you put, you can decide. But then it's important to repeat, as we wrote there, at least 3 times. And then in the end, it's just pasta, bechamel, parmesan cheese, how do you want to call it? And then small pieces of butter at the top.
That's interesting. I've never heard about it. Like putting butter on top of the lasagna.
It's something that really adds some flavor, some texture, a crispiness to the top. That's in Italy we say that the crispy part of the lasagna is the best part of the lasagna, because it's really flavorful, rich of burnt parts. It's really, really nice. So a lot of people really like it and fight when they have to eat to have that part. So this is how you build the lasagna, and you can also prepare it before eating it, also the day before, the evening before, but then when you cook it in the oven, you have to eat it straight away. So normally, but also here you have to think about how big is it, how strong is the oven, and all this kind of stuff. Normally it needs to be cooked like for 40-45 minutes at 160 degrees. Normally I do it covered in aluminum foil, so it doesn't burn. But then the last 5 to 10 minutes, it needs to increase the temperature until 190, 200 degrees, and without the foil, the aluminum foil. So it's really become crispy and really nice to eat. And then you take it out from the oven and you wait like 5 minutes, so it's a bit more cold. And then you can eat it straight away with your friends, with your family. It's really nice to have a big plate of lasagna and share it with people that you care.
Yeah, definitely. So, Valeria, to summarize a little bit, it has 3 main parts.
Yeah.
So first you have to make sure that the individual components are prepared well, so the pasta, bechamel, roux and parmesan.
Yeah.
This is also the layer that you have to repeat at least 3 times, which is the second important part. And then the third part is that you have to cook it for 40 minutes at 160 degrees, covered, for the final 5 minutes. Remove the cover and up the temperature a little bit to make it really crispy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think that these are the most important parts to make the perfect lasagna. Yeah.
Yeah, so now you know how to make the perfect lasagna. I am gonna try it. Valerio
is gonna taste it, so I can judge it.
And we hope you enjoyed the video. Please follow us on Instagram at @multistasters.
Yeah.
And I think we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.